Welcome. If you manage a Discord server and want full control over how new members interact when they join, this quick guide is for you. Today, you'll learn exactly how to disable the option that lets members reply to the welcome message with a sticker. It's a simple setting, but it can make your server look more organized and professional. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your device. Once it's open, navigate to your server from the left-hand side of your screen. Select the server where you want to change the settings. Then, at the top of the page, tap your server's name. This opens a small menu with several options. From there, choose Settings. You'll now enter your server settings area where all the management tools are located. Inside the settings menu, scroll down and tap Overview. This section controls some of the most important aspects of your server, including how welcome messages work. Now, look for the section called System Messages Settings. Under this section, you'll find the option that says prompt members to reply to welcome messages with a sticker. To disable it, simply toggle this option off. When it's off, new members will still see your welcome message, but they won't get the prompt to respond using a sticker. That's it. Once you've turned it off, you don't need to save